Okay, okay. Hello, hello. I am playing this replay because I wasn't present in the market today. I want to see what happened here. When the market closed this gap, I start to monitor value here. The market could very well got up here or very well down here. Mm. This pullback was too hard back. In the same way how this low was weak, same way how this low was weak here, or exponentially weak, the same thing is happening to this low. That's good also the market is going to take this high out. Now I want to see if there is a rejection. I'm playing because I didn't see, I wasn't here to see how this high was falling. I didn't see a rejection. Right now I'm doing my replay at 10 times the speed, normal speed. Okay, taper again. Can you see this formation here? The market comes down here and just dry. Just dries. In the same way how it dries here, it just dries here. If I got a long hill, remember the risk on the long side. If I got a long hill, this is my stop here. And I don't want to see the market coming close to this area. Maybe 2 ticks above this, not below, but above here. Because coming below risk a spike to the side. Now I have a 2 distribution. Now I have 2 distributions here. Very emotional trading, you know. Early in the morning, early distributions. That's a sign of emotions running high. And these are shorts being trapped here. There's a lot of big blocks here. I don't want to see this. You know, this is a position that's going high. This is a market going high. Notice the taper here. This high has been taken. Okay, the low has been there. This low, this exponentially weak and poor low, has been replaced for another. Has been moved just lower. Now I am close to what I want to see now. What the market does, how the market, okay. It is trying to get. It's now inside the single print. And this could be a good area for a short here. What the market does, but because you have volume here from this area, significant volume here, activity here, not just volume but the activity, how it happens here. This area here, this red area here. Man, this is a really painful market to see. Shorts are being squeezed here once more. Notice what happened here, this 47 here. This is a sign of something is not good. It just boom, it just dries. It doesn't. It's different. Okay, this is a different situation than the hard taper here. Okay, there's no single piece anymore. Okay, that's good. Also, it's going to keep going higher. I want to see something like this or something like this in the upper side. I want to see if that happens. Some paper. 1, 2, 3 distributions now. Where's value? Value is still overlapping to lower, but my value has moved lower, higher, has moved higher. Market cannot get into this area here. Notice how relevant this piece of information is becoming now. Right? From Tuesday, from Wednesday, right? I don't know what freaking day is this. Tuesday? It's Tuesday? Wednesday. From Wednesday. Very emotional market here. Again, Do you remember what happened here? What happened here? Again, it's been bought from hardback of the current period. Now, let's have a consideration here. Have another thought here. Remember the bigger picture here. What's happening with the market in the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames? They are going higher, right? They are going higher. Now, that trend is over. One time frame higher is over. Coming back to hardback again. Because today took previous day low out. There's no more trending higher now. Gosh, again starting from hardback here, very mechanical here. I wouldn't short this market, man. Very emotional market now. 1, 2, 3, 4 distributions in just 5 periods. This is crazy. This is a short squeeze here. Oh, this is the counterreaction to this overnight inventory here. So I want to see also something that I want to see too is what's happening with volume. Alright, I want to see volume increasing. So relative to yesterday, or relative to the previous day, volume about same, volume a little bit higher in C, it starts to increase, you can start to see a difference. So there's something here, no momentum is joining here. I pay attention to volume when I have a clear direction. There's a clear direction here. Now you want to check Jim Dalton's website. Oh boy. To put a number here, this is just 1%, 1%, 6, okay, instead 7, I want to see more, I want to see this increasing, right? 10, 12, 15, 20s, something like that. That would be the best thing, okay? That would be the best thing. Not much, not too much. Alright. Oh boy, look at this lack of access here. This is, gosh. This gives me second thoughts, right? But this is just one piece of information here. Okay, this is one piece. The other piece of information, this distribution here, the last one, has been closed. Now, continuation, we see the market. If there's change in the market, right? Change, okay? We have what change feels when the market is in the bigger picture, right? Bigger time frame. Now let's go to the intraday. Market's trading higher. We have a trending market so far. Change will come when this low is taken. There is some signs of change, right? When this distribution is closed. But that's just one piece of information. The other piece of information can be that this, there's no taper here in the upper side. And the market also doesn't have it, but who cares about that? Remember? This low, this is weakening now, very weak. This came from, remember where there was a lot of buying here. Oh boy, that was fast. Okay, that was fast. This came from here all the way down to here, really fast. So there's change here. Something has changed. The action to the upside has ended. I don't know if there's going to be an action to the downside. Could be some rebalancing going on here. But if I want to see now, I want to start to monitor. Now the first thing is the market. This is the influence. Market has re-entered this range. This is not good anymore. The market has re-entered this range. Value is overlapping now. Value is overlapping. We have overlapping value. Another distribution has been closed here. So there is continuation to the side. What else do we have in the lower side? Have POC, have hardback. Oh, this is settle. And the distribution close. Okay, this is fast. This is when I got my trade here. I'm just as soon as the market took hardback. Okay, that was good, but the market re-entered when the market re-enter, half back. Okay, that's when I said, okay, this is it. This could be it, right? The market just got too short. Now the next thing for downside continuation, because you have a trend here. No, you have an action. The action now is to the downside. Action to this is balance. Re-enter payment range. Opposite side of the range has been taken. See, some of the single prints have been cleared. Clear rejection. There's some rejection here of these higher prices here. Next thing, notice now where this low is. It's kind of really close to previous day hard bar, right? POC continuation. I still have I didn't do anything here. It was just crazy market here. I just did anything. I don't like this high, for example. I don't like this high either. There's something's going on here. I don't know what. Here's when okay, you know what? If there is something serious to the upside here, the market will keep these distributions. That's it. The market will keep these distributions if there is something serious here to the upside. That's one thing. The second push of this should come, before in the last 7 minutes, if there's something. If the distributions close, so this is just very emotional market. Now can you see how one keep gathering this information, right? Markets inside this area. Someone just trying to clean my, exactly from seller. This is not good. Exactly on seller. But what I'm watching now, this is the distribution. What the market does with this distribution is it closing this distribution targets this low, this opposite side. Keep going. Next period is opening kind of around the center of the profile. All right, look at that. Look at that movement. Really fast. From halfback, weak selling exactly to G low here. Exactly to G low. It's kind of taking its time to up a lot here. And this is when I place a stop entry here. Well, it happened really fast. I tried twice here. It came once at the opening of the H, but it wasn't there. I just closed for a loss here, small loss. When it didn't have nothing, one tick, and I just closed my position. And then when the market was up here, I kind of placed a stop entry. Because of the condition, the context is everything. If this happens tomorrow, it's not going to be the same. I will not do the same trade tomorrow. The market develops in the same way. And when the market does this really fast, it'll actually get close to this. This is just short-term trading here. This daily hardback, can you see where the market came from? All this long came from daily hardback, Coming from here, that's it. I didn't realize it was hardback when I placed my trade here, but I closed it when it came close to it when it took C low, because it was a spike. That was it for me. And after that, okay, you know what? I'll take the dog for another walk. I'm going to speed this one up now. I am not interested in C. I saw what I want to see, which is how this market traded up here. Notice where the edge came from. Okay, that's also another reason why I closed here. Exactly how it works. That's mechanical trade. And today, after the fact, in hindsight is easier, right? Today was a day dominated by bigger time frame. Not the intraday, which was the case yesterday. Could be the case of all the overnights. It could be Friday. Or today was not that day. Today was a different type of day. Now it's not uploading. My charts are not uploading here. I don't know how far I came here. I just seen the opening. This is just like there's too much information here. Even my charts cannot deal with it. Now this is mechanical selling here, close to hardware. The same kind of buying they have here, the same kind of selling happening here. Okay, this has been taken care of. These are not references anymore. You just have this one and this one. Alright, the other thing I want to see, I want to show you actually, is this day here. Well, notice how this is 11:22. Notice how, let's do another replay here. 11:22 here, 22nd, 9:25. You will see that. Oh my God! I just are close. Come on! No way! Okay, I'm not going to close it yet until I want to save this. Let's save this. Please don't close it. Don't close it. Hold on, please. This. What the heck is this? This is my. Yeah, this is a. What the heck is A? Easy. What? Oh. Oh boy, it took too much time to close. Oh boy. Alright. Okay, I was doing this this is part of my homework. Okay, if I don't do my homework, I have not earned my right to trade. Okay, plain and simple. Plain and simple as it looks, right? Just as a simple rule. I'm not going to trade if I don't do my homework. Let's do a replay of this 22nd. What I want to do is open. Come on, don't tell me I screwed up again. I want to do a replay the 22nd. That's what I want to do. This is just really fast. This is really fast. Because this is in something important. Okay, how the market opens. Okay, makes a new high. This is 30 times faster. Okay, 29. Okay, it's open. Let's tell you why I don't have I don't have data here. Come on. This is when the market makes a new high. Oh, it's actually playing here. This is like playing this day here. Well, this is not good. Notice this. Forget about this, okay? This is what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen. I want to open. I am opening here. This is a glitch that's happening. This is I am playing this day, but for some weird reason, I can see what has already happened. I'm trying to highlight how the market makes this high here. and the market opens this day, goes high. This was a crazy short calling here that happened here. I am 20 times faster here. Makes a high. You notice how fast the market open. It can start to stall here. Alright. This high is the reference here. This high. This is the breakout, the 2-day range. This is a 2-day range breakout. Taper. Got taper here. Right away we got taper. Oh, come on, man. Really? What the heck, man? This cannot be true. This was, notice how fast this market now. Just how fast, you know, how fast the market comes back inside this range here. That is rejection. Okay, I apologize if this is, I'm sorry, I can't show you better here, but you see, I saw taper there, and it comes down really fast. That's rejection. Alright, that is rejection. I want to see if I didn't mess up this thing. Alright. That was this high here. Oh, god damn it. Oh, shoot. God. Oh, God, I keep doing this. Let's see if this is bad. What happened? What I did here by accident? Okay, this is better. Okay, thanks God. This is okay. Now I just have to do something here. These inventories have been taken care. Please forgive all the messes. But this replay is gone very messy. These inventories have been taken care of. Now this is not a reference anymore. This is not a reference anymore. This is a week. This is this again. Where's red? This again is week. Week. For 928 low. This is 828 high. That was it, my friends. That was part of my homework. Alright. I wish you guys a good rest of the night. Have a good night. Have a wonderful night. Stay safe. Bye bye. Hey, Ixis. Man, I'm sorry, brother. You were there. I didn't know you were there. Sure, told you, sure, go. EB was at that price. Algos were shorting. Rejection because EB was negative. Market profile plus probability. Okay. I don't know if you're still there. You there still? Are you still there? Alright. Okay, now I'm going to complete my homework. This is no good. This reference has been clear. What is saddle? What is saddle now? Saddle is 4563. Tuesday. Saddle is 4563. Oh, well, look at what saddle is just right there. Okay, I think this inventory, this body has been dealt with. This is not. I still not keep. I still going to keep this one and this one. This is a sign that is short time trading here. Where's last? 60. Last is 64, so it's right there. I'm not going to put that. I just have this thing. I'm going to have seller going into tomorrow's. Alright. What else? Okay, my homework. And this is how I do my homework. Don't put it here. Just have something here. Volume is increasing a little bit, but still low. Oh, this is weird. This is the rally on gold here. You know, it's kind of like just make you think, right? The good thing, bonds are now out far. They are getting far from the lows. No, notice this trend. Notice what's going on with crude. Can you put a trend line here in crude oil? Going too low could be a sign of something negative, but it's just coming just too perfect, man. You can place a trend line here. You know, if I can see this, everybody can see that. Well, this is perfect for a short squeeze here. Is that going to happen? I don't know. Now, homework for Wednesday. What day are we today? Yeah, it was Wednesday, November 29. And this was not Tuesday. This I need to correct this. I mean, this is history, doesn't matter anymore. I guess I have some form of obsessive compulsive disorder. Yeah. Alright, the first thing. A brother short, so I can have something here. Notice what's happening. You know, this trend line here. This trend line here. This one also, you know, this is just too perfect here, man. That's one thing to be, you know. This is the 3 time frames. The next thing, let's check the monthly. What's going on with monthly? What's happening in the monthly time frame? Alright, that's happening in the monthly time frame. And this is how I do my homework. That doesn't mean you have to do it this way, but do your homework. Doing homework is very important. It gives you context. Today was worth 1 month of job. You may have done nothing on the previous month, but today just, you know, today was it. This is monthly. Now 2 days, two more days to go in the month. 2 more go. 2 days. 2 days left in the month. Why I think this is why I'm writing that, because end of the month is going to be Thursday. Okay, all this craziness ends on Tuesday. If you have options that's monthly, that expires on at the end of the month, that was it, right? Now, can you imagine what's happening in the short side? What do you think traders are doing that, or can be doing now after watching this market going higher and higher and higher? Just think about that. Now the market is opening. If it remains up high, they can have good also keep going higher. This high is very close. And now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 month range. A 5 month range is for me. Okay. This could be relevant because if another month comes here, that will be a 6 month, and we will have another range here, just like this one. You know, what is important for me from those ranges is the breakout that can happen either to the upside, to the downside, or the breakout failure. You can look above and fail and target the opposite side of the range. You know, interesting things can come out of that. What's going to happen? I don't know. Nobody knows. If you know, please let me know. The weekly sometimes is simple. Sometimes the job is just very simple. This is a weekly time frame. Weekly time. What do we have in weekly time frame? One time frame higher, right? One time frame higher. It's very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Notice how these ranges are becoming. The higher it goes, the shorter the ranges. Very narrow range. Is this going to be an inside week? I don't know. No, but notice where this week is being bought from. From this trend line here. Very short range. One time frame higher, continuous. Upside continuation, upside continuation, continuation. I'm not saying that's going to happen, right? But I'm just acknowledging the upside continuation has 46, 23, and 46, 33 as next levels to monitor. Okay, which is this level here and this one up here. Okay. Trend. It's just too obvious here. Trend line. Trend line. A trend line. A trend line has become obvious. This is when I start seeing something that everybody can see, and if I can see this, everybody can see this. I've not considered myself that smart. You know, everybody can see this. You know, a lot of traders can start buying from these levels just because this is resistance, right? Or whatever. This is support, my bad. This is support. Okay. The opposite side. The opposite side of the breakout of the look below and fail has been reached. I don't reach. Okay, almost been reached. Remember, exactness kills. I'm not going to say here that the market, market looks below this range, below this range, looks below, fails, comes back inside and targets this opposite side. I'm not going to wait until the market comes, one tick above this or one tick from this level to say that the trade has been completed. I can say that now, for example, right? I can say that the trade has been completed now. If this, regardless of what happened here, I can say it can come up to here, take it, or keep having upside continuation. I don't know what's going to happen. I consider this part almost done, pretty much over. Right? This is a good trade here to the upside. It was a good one. Now the daily. The daily has some crazy, some really interesting things here. Very interesting things. Okay, let's do it again. Notice this area here. I don't know what it looks like. Notice this area here, what it looks like, right? Yeah. And now we have this buying here. This trend line here, it's just too nice here. Another range is forming here. This gap has been almost close to half. 45.91 is gap closed. 45.63 is this high, and of course you have 4600 right away as well. All right. I don't trade those. These are just reference. I use those to see what the market is doing. So one time frame higher has ended. There is no more trend to the upside. There's no more. There's no more. There's no more trend to the upside. Now, what's going to happen here? I don't know. It could be some rebalancing that can follow sideways trading. I don't know. They remember also this thing, right? The same thing, the same traders are, the thing that happened with this inventory here during this day that took this weak inventory out, and then you have the same thing can happen here, right? You have the bunch of longs here, or this could be all the way up to here, or this area here. This market can do the same. Can do the same again. I'm not saying that is going to happen, okay? Because 4,500 in particular, this level in particular, not because it's a round level, but this 4,500 has give me chills, man. This is a go no go. If the market gets close to that level, that level is very, very important to me. And notice how many gaps do we have. We have one gap here, two gaps here, three gaps here, four gaps here. Very weak, a very emotional market, right? In less than a month, or what has happened here. Multiple gaps are sign of emotions running high. Mechanical selling, those are coming from exactly half back of this, center of this gap. Not too much to say here. I mean, there's a lot, right? But I think I cannot verbalize what else here. And when you do your homework, you can actually see these things, right? You can, these things that I did, right? The fact that I put here, this thing here, you can do that thing. It is one thing that you do this, right? This is coming hard backwards here. That's center of this range. This high here, is just the center of this gap. When you do this, it has one completely different meaning, right? That when you see somebody else doing it, that when you see, when you read what somebody did, when somebody posts something, and you read, say, oh, you say, I see that. Oh, yes, that's right. But you can do the same thing, and it's going to be way more relevant for you or for any trader if that trader does that by himself, because that's the homework. And this is something that we do every single day. You will want to have at least one chance. This, if I don't take this business as seriously, That's part of the job. This is part of the preparation. Look at this. What I'm doing here. It is 1:26 a.m. on Wednesday. I got some things to do tomorrow. I'm not going to be on the market, unfortunately. I also have something. Unfortunately, also I have something already scheduled for Friday. At this, I have scheduled that like 3 weeks ago. I didn't know what was going to happen. I think something Friday can be a day, can be an important day, a day with volatility from Friday because it's the next day after the end of the month. It's the first day of December, first day of a new month. Okay, do this. Try to do this yourself. You don't have to have a window trader. You can use this is look at this. This is Nisman Schedule, right? This is an app from Windows from Microsoft. It comes with Windows 10. Now something really simple. And I use Discord. I build my own Discord here, and everything that I think that can this is part of a journey. This is my journey here. This is my evolution, right? We will go and see what I did 1 year ago, 2 years ago. I was a completely different person than I am, or different trader than I am today. You just keep going back and back, right? And also when you write, your brain, some parts of the brain that are activated when you. It is better when you do it by hand, but still, right? Because there's another sense that is activated there. You have eyes and you have mechanical movement with your hands. There are two hemispheres, I believe, that are activated. But when you write, you verbalize your thoughts. Otherwise, I'm just floating there, and it's going to be easier for you to remember what you have written one day before. Okay, but it's going to take time. It doesn't happen overnight. When you do this repeatedly, when you repeat this over and over and over, someday you will just say, oh, okay, I remember that. I remember that because most of the time, when I used to go, when I was starting, I used to go in the market. I did my homework. Yeah, so as soon as the market opened, I completely forgot what happened. Right? And at the end of the day, oh boy, I used to say, oh my God, I forgot that I did this. I forgot that I write this. Oh, this makes sense, or whatever. Right? It helps. It improves. Okay, it's not going to make the day perfect, but it improves the odds. Okay, improves the odds of success here. Now, let's check now. Market profile. Oh God. I still am keeping these levels. I think I decided to go with reds, kind of like reds, because higher volume is red here. These blues here are the same thing as the reds here. And I think those are. This is information that I'm carrying on for the future. Right? No, notice where 100, for example, is the 100 moving average way down here. Right? The other one is that way. Oh, look at this. Where these moving averages are right inside this gap. So if there is anything here to the downside, this is a significant gap. Significant gaps usually don't close in the first attempt. There could be some buying here. The 4500 has been heavily traded back and forth, even though it doesn't reflect here. It only was bought once here, but there's a lot of back and forth about the 4500 here. There's a lot of inventory that starts here. If this level is taken, you can very well close the gap with 110. Who knows? Right. But that's not what I'm doing now. I'm doing my homework. Next part of my homework, I'm going to take a screenshot of market profiles. Feels a big one, a broader one. I don't do this all the time, but I think this is, I don't want to forget what is happening. Another one, smaller. Now that I can see actually what's going on here. Okay, I just noticed something here. That could have been of help today, but I didn't notice today. This is what I'm seeing now. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. What the heck is this? Look at this height, this height, this height. This is a perfect, man. This is perfect. And don't tell me this. What level is this? 4566, maybe? Let's check. 66. What do we have in 66? No. No. My bad. I was just making up something, trying to make up something. Right. Doesn't always work like that. Okay. Let's save this as well. Let's go back to. Yeah, I just wanna do that. Market profile. Notice this. I think the most important thing here is that this excess likewise has been correlated, but has been just moved lower. Okay. Exponentially weak low. Exponentially weak low has been corrected. But the market no, like I said, this is not good. Expensive weak pull, big pull low has been moved lower. And I think the most relevant part is here, upside trend. No, that I have the end of the upside trend. I just brought it here. Okay, has been moved lower. All of the week inventory, all the week long, short, long and short inventory has been dealt with. The market now, just now, I think the market now, whatever happens now, the market do whatever, can keep doing its thing now. Okay, all of the weak inventory has been dealt with. Okay, while that happened, the market has formed a 3-day range. What remains? The market now can deal with the breakout of the inside day and the 2-day range. This is a breakout here. I'm going to put it again, because I think this is relevant here. I'll talk about this thing. You can put this low as a potential destination. What's going to happen? Is that going to happen? I don't know. Okay, you have a weak high here. Do I have a weak high here? Why you put this here? 68. Why? No, I don't know. I don't have. Okay. Something important here is remember when. Oh boy, I didn't take a screenshot. Hold on. I need to do, let me see if I can do that. Here, compiler, open, instrument EC, got that. Okay, UBus requested data. Is the lack of access here? This table, okay, this high is no good, this high is no good. There's lack of table. Notice, I'm carrying. The internet highs. This is what I mean with that. This is what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna take another screenshot here. It's another screenshot here. What I'm interested in is here. Oh boy. I don't like this. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. You know, this has been dealt with. This has been dealt with. What remains is this part here. No, it's right here. This is right at the center here. You know, so this rally, the breakout, it still remains. The breakout to the upside remains. Okay, let's do it again. I guess I need to do something else here. Okay, my bad, sorry. Come on. I'm tired. I need to go to sleep now. Oops. 82 days, that's too much, man. That's just too much. Let's do this. Let's do 20 days. It's too much data. It's taking too much space in the computer. Okay. All right. I don't need that. Alright, notice how crazy these days. It's very regular day, very mechanical day. This is emotions. No, notice the difference between this profile and this one and this one's, for example, right? And also between these ones. Okay? Small things, small details here that can be. Okay, let's take a screenshot now. All right. This volume has been taken care of. This deal has been dealt with. This one remains. The low is right there at the center. This is emotional day. You got value here. Notice how you have volume here. Volume here as well. This day just dries here, boom, and we have this accumulation of value here. Now the X, notice this. Notice this high today. Today's high. Just look at that, man. This is nice, nice taper here. This one is also really nice, but there's no excess here. No excess in the lower side. This is, oh boy, this is, okay. Just let's put this one back. Let's highlight this. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, it starts a weakening here, you know, coming from hard back. No, this is not good. I'm just looking at the profile, right? But this is just one piece of information, but notice where it came from. Exactly halfback. So this one, my profile, but histogram is good. Where it came from is not. Gosh, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of information. Pointing towards the upside. And 2 here, which is one big one, number 1 here. Rejection to the downside here, this level remains. Boy, there's a lot of things here. There is nothing clear here in this market. There's nothing clear in this market. I guess this is when I have too much. There's nothing clear here. There is some days, but you will see something really clear here. You got something that is quite obvious. Right now, I don't see nothing like that. Okay, but all the things that I have put here, I have highlighted. I hope I remember for the next 30 days. I'm going to put that one just here. Now I try to remember remain neutral, have patience, keep the perspective. If you see opportunity, find location, measure risk, take your trade, monitor for continuation. The market give us 2, maybe 3 opportunities. Okay. One big one. Every week, or maybe every 2 weeks. Remain neutral. Use market generated information to control bias. I try to remain as neutral as possible. It doesn't matter if the market is having a huge rally or having a big break. I try to remain as neutral as possible. Today I didn't have, going into the market today, I was, I got this. I am not going to place any trade today because I have things to do. I don't want to do anything with the market, and I just came back. As soon as I take a seat, when I came back, I placed a trade. As soon as I came back, and that's crazy. Just how it happened. Okay, my friends. See you. I'm not going to be today. I'm not going to have a stream today. I wish you good luck. I hope this homework is useful for your day. For today's trade. Stay safe. Bye bye.